The objective of the simple harmonic pendulum lab was to examine the relationship between length, mass, and period for different pendulums. We met the objective by putting a piece of string on a clamp which was on a stand at the end of the string. We would attach a mass of 20 kilograms. We would then suspend the string at different lengths, which started at 0.20 meters and increased by 0.05 meters all the way up to 0.4 meters. We measured how long it took for each bob to make a cycle. We did this 5 times for each bob and averaged the time out. We then found the periods and the frequencies. We repeated this entire process again, but instead of changing the length of the string, we changed the masses at the end of the string, which started at 0.10 kilograms and went up by 0.10 kilograms all the way up to 0.50 kilograms. When we graphed both the constant mass and the constant length, it was obvious that the only thing that affects the period was length. As you can see here, when we graph the period versus the length, this line goes like this. But when we graph the period versus the mass, it is a straight line. So this shows that the only thing that affects the period is length. A mass at the end of the bob does not affect the period.